So you are welcome to this particular video, and in this particular video I'll be sharing with you this particular airdrop project which you'll be able to land you your first $100 to $200 if you're able to follow what I'll be sharing with you in this particular video. A lot of you must have seen this particular project and will be doubting it, but I'll be sharing with you everything you need to do for you to take any decision of your choice. There's a particular proverb in our dialect that says, if one wants to end his poverty and he goes into the forest, if he's killed by a lion, his poverty ends, and if he eventually kills a lion, his poverty will end. So that is it about this particular project, and you just need to follow me because I'll be unveiling everything you need to do for you to be able to get this particular airdrop. So this particular airdrop now is currently at trading at 1.87. Yes, you see, and we'll be getting 100 worth of this particular token called the CTC Plus. So if you are giving 100 multiplied by 1.87 now, do you know is close to around $200. So the first thing you need to do, this is a particular airdrop that is on Web3. So you can either use your MetaMask, your Trust Wallet, your Biget wallet. In Web3 wallet, you'll be able to interact and be able to do this particular airdrop. And I tell you, if you are very convinced after watching this particular video to the end, you can do it on multiple wallets. So let me just show you on my MetaMask, on my Trust Wallet. So if you have logged in your Trust Wallet, let me take it back so that I will show you everything. I'm using a new Trust Wallet. You can open a new Trust Wallet and just come to this Discover section. So the link that you'll be needing, I'll be dropping it in the description of this particular video. So when you use on it, you tap on it, it will bring you to an interface like this. So the first thing you need to do is you have to connect your wallet and you have to connect your BNB wallet. So you can see now, because the particular token now is on BNB, you tap on it here like this. You tap on BNB so that you could connect it. BNB. Let me proceed. Let me check this. So I'll tap on connect. I'll wait for it to connect. I think my wallet is about to, so let's just wait for this particular wallet to be connected. Yes, now it is connected now. So what you need to do is that you come to this particular KYC section, you tap on this KYC, then you see this tell me this is my wallet address, and the first thing you need to do is that you have to have a little bit of BNB, a very little amount, around 0.1, less than $1, which you can just say for so that you could use it for your gas. So I'll tap on verifying. So it will take me for me to be able to initiate the transaction by paying some amount of BNB. You could see this is it. You could see now, you say the cost is 0.12 now. So I'll have to tap on approved. On this particular wallet, I have over 0.4. That is what I actually sent into it. Let me still tap on this proceed anyway. Yes, it's just telling me it's risky, but I'm willing to take the risk. So I'll tap on this approve. I've put in my password. You see it says it is redirecting in 10 seconds. Everything will be, and I will be giving my airdrop. So let's wait for it to get initiated. You say thank you for verifying. I've actually verified. Let's go back to home. Let it allow it to load. Yes, it's now saying verified. Let it allow it to load. So now let's come to the airdrop. Let me see if I've been given my airdrop. You could see, you say your airdrop, I'll be giving 100 CTC. So let me quickly take you to their X account. So on this their X account here, this is their verified account of this. You see 5 days ago, this is what they actually say, that 18 days left. Grab 100 CTC token before the CTC Plus airdrops end. So this is just a free money. I tell you, I'm not a financial advisor. You can just take any decision of your choice, and the coin already is listed on CoinGecko, which I tell you that it is good, and you can do it on multiple ways. Let's go to CoinGecko and watch. You will see currently now this particular token is getting trade at 1.9. So you can go and check and just check at CoinGecko and looked at everything. This the total supply is 100, which is not actually huge, and the maximum supply is 108 million. So you can just follow the instruction which I just did for you to be able to get this particular token. Mind you, just need to have a little amount of BNB to be used at gas fee. If the video was really helpful, please kindly like, share, click on the bell notification so I get notified anytime I upload any other video like this. Thank you. Bye bye for now.